Now we've got to position these legs wherever you want them to sit. So I'm coming in 2 inches on each side, and then get one of your legs, position it on that line, put your finger on it, and then just draw a pencil line down there. I'm going to screw this as well as glue it, so I'll put 3 holes there and 3 holes there. This is one of the concessions I've made, a cordless gun. Drill a clearance hole and screw it on. There we go. Alright, so that's nice and square. Clamped in, I've pre-drilled the holes. Now I've got to do is screw them in. In fact, it was interesting, my woodworking teacher in high school said I should plan to get a job in an office because I was useless at woodwork. Oh, how I'd love to meet him again. Okay, that's the framework. Now we've got to put some rails on here, or gussets or support, so it doesn't collapse when we stand on it. What I want to do is have a slight bevel on these, so I don't know what that is. Whatever degree that is, according to this it's 67.5 degrees. I have no idea why it's 67.5 degrees. These are great too, these hold downs. And a rubber hammer if you're working inside. And position that so this corner here will just line up with the corner there. Mark at this end as well. And then pop that here. And get that one off of there. And cut this one. That is so much nicer than a flippin' jigsaw, and quieter, and I reckon it's quicker. So that's a lesson. Don't get seduced by modern technology and all these new fandangled things. Sometimes the old ways are still the best. Now I'm just going to clean these up with a plane. That, I think, is not quite good enough. As my tutor from years ago said, if it's not right now, it won't be right in 100 years. So you might as well do it right the first time, and then you know you don't have to go back and do it again, even if it is just for a little stool to go in the pantry. Having said that, I think I might invest in a new handsaw for up here. Look at that, just about the same size all the way around. Okay. Oh. Now we'll put this bracing on with a pencil. Put a mark there and a mark there and one there and one there. And what I'm going to do first is I'll drill pilot holes for those 4 holes there, then screw into the top and square this leg up, set that leg, then screw into this leg and set that leg. So here goes. Where's a punch? These are great little things. Oops. For starting holes, normally I'd use a hammer and punch. You know, you put it there and you hit it with a hammer. But these are impact punches, and you just put it where you want it to go and push down. And that's it. It makes the hole for you. Great idea. Now we'll just drill these. I'll level it out so it's reasonably even. Screw there. Screw there. Pop your square in and just move this out so it's square to the leg. Send that one home. And the same to the other one. And we'll just push on that so it's square and send this one home. There we have it. Do the same to the other side. Knock these sharp edges off here. And for that, I'll use a Japanese saw. Now we'll just clean it all up and balance it out, and we should be good to go. Clamp that down, hold it nice and firm, and then we just knock it back with a plane. And if you like, you can round it over as well. All right. And you'll notice no sandpaper has been used. What I'm going to do now is make sure it's flat. So it might be a little bit out and a bit rocky, so if that's the case, what we do is we just true the legs up, and yeah, it's got a bit of a wobble to it. So that's, this leg here is a bit high. These are great if you're into woodwork in any way, shape or form. A tail vise, especially in limited spaces like I'm working in here. I reckon there's a piece of toilet paper in that. Just take a couple of shavings off this one here. And there we have it. It's as steady as a rock. Now what I want to do is just round it all over and take any of the sharp edges off. You can use a spoke shave, or quite frankly, you can just use an ordinary plane. The block plane that I've got here will do the job quite well. All right, there we have it. One stool and all done with hand tools. There was, unless you call the cordless drill a power tool, everything else was done by hand. No sandpaper involved. There's no splinters there whatsoever. It's smooth, it's functional, and it will work. Remember to keep it sharp, but more importantly, keep it safe. Bye for now.